Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Insignia Soundbar to Roku TV. Let's go. First way, if your TV supports Bluetooth, open Settings, Remotes and Devices. Add device, speaker. Turn on the parent mode on your soundbar. Choose your soundbar. Second way, connect the soundbar to your TV via HDMI. Open Settings, TV Inputs. Choose Soundbar HDMI input. Setup. Open Settings, Control Other Devices. Turn on One Touch Play and System Standby. Choose Search for CEC devices. Open System, Audio, Audio Output. Choose your HDMI soundbar source. That's it. Now you know how to connect Insignia Soundbar to Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.